To commence today's celebration, may I request everyone to rise for the flag hoisting ceremony, inviting our most esteemed hoist the flag. Also inviting our most respected principal, Sri Jose Matthew sir, and beloved Sini ma'am to accompany the same.
विद्यालय सावधान, विश्राम, सावधान। राष्ट्रगान की अवस्था में राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर।
यहाँ हम सब हमारे देश के 76वें गणतंत्र दिवस के उत्सव मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुआ है। गणतंत्र दिवस एक ऐसा दिन है जो हमारे संविधान और स्वतंत्रता के प्रति गर्व महसूस कराता है। एक और बार यहाँ उपस्थित सभी जनों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
As our tricolor unfurls majestically in the morning breeze, let's pay a tribute to the vision of our founding fathers and the unity in diversity that makes our nation unique.
26 जनवरी 1950 का वह ऐतिहासिक दिन जब हमारे संविधान लागू हुआ और हमारा देश एक लोकतांत्रिक गणराज्य बना। यह दिन हम सभी के लिए केवल एक तारीख नहीं बल्कि वह प्रतीक है जो हमारे अधिकारों और कर्तव्यों का स्मरण कराता है।
May I now invite Srimati Kavita Ma'am, PGT English, for the welcome address. Ma'am, please.
A warm good morning to one and all present here. It fills me with immense pride and gratitude to welcome you all on this momentous occasion of 76th Republic Day. First, let me extend a heartfelt welcome to our today's guest of honor, Mrs. Meera G, PGT Chemistry of our Vidyalaya. Madam joined Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan in 1994 and she has dedicated over 3 decades to nurture young minds and inspire children to achieve great heights. We express our gratitude to ma'am for her dedicated services. Welcome to the function, ma'am. Once again, welcome to this august gathering and welcome to this auspicious occasion. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, madam.
आइए आज की कार्यक्रमों की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे साथ अक्षता कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा से एक भाषण सुनते हैं जो हमें संविधान की महत्ता और गणतंत्र दिवस की महत्व से अवगत कराएगी।
सभी को सुप्रभात। याद रखेंगे वीरों तुमको, यह बलिदान है तुम्हारा, हमको तो जान से प्यारा गणतंत्र है हमारा। इस दिन वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है, झूम उठो देशवासियों, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है। सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। इस साल यानी 225 में देश अपना 76वां गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है। गणतंत्र दिवस 225 की थीम है स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास। ये दिन भारतीय इतिहास के एक बेहद महत्वपूर्ण मोड़ का प्रतीक है। हर युवा के दिल में महानता की संभावना छिपी होती है। परिश्रम, ईमानदारी और कड़ी मेहनत के साथ हम अपने युवाओं का पोषण करें। विकसित भारत का उद्देश्य हर भारतीय के जीवन स्तर पर सुधार लाना है। इनके माध्यम से न केवल हम आर्थिक और सामाजिक विकास को बढ़ावा देंगे बल्कि नैतिक और सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों को भी बनाए रखेंगे। आज के समय में स्त्रियों को उच्च सम्मान दिया जाता है। आज के युग की महिला हर क्षेत्र में अपनी पहचान बना ली है। आज की नारी हर कार्य में कुशल है। उल्लेखनीय उपलब्धियों में सफल जैसे मंगलयान मिशन, चंद्रयान मिशन आदि, स्वदेशी मिसाइलों का विकास और स्वास्थ्य स्तर में सफलताएं शामिल है। भारत कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता यानी AI में विश्व स्तर पर दूसरे स्थान पर पहुंच चुका है। ये सिर्फ वैज्ञानिक स्तर में ही नहीं बल्कि आम जनता के दिनचर्या में ये बदलाव लाए हैं। ऐसे गणतंत्र के चमक आम जनता के बुनियादी जीवन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए देश आगे बढ़ रहा है। डिजिटल इंडिया के मकसद पूरा होने से ग्रामीण इलाके के बुनियादी ढांचे भी बदल जाएंगे। हम विश्व से जुड़ी रहती है और स्वर्णिम भारत का विरासत और विकास के झलक इंडोनेशिया की संस्कृतियों से मिलकर नई दिल्ली के गणतंत्र दिवस के परेड में हम देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो हमारे महाकाव्यों और पुराणों से प्रभावित है। 26 जनवरी के ये दिन भारतीय लोकतंत्र की ताकत को दर्शाता है। हम अपने संविधान का पालन करते हुए देश को आगे बढ़ाने का काम करना चाहिए। आइए ये संकल्प लें कि हम अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करेंगे और देश को एक महान राष्ट्र बनाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारे देश का भविष्य हमारे हाथों में है। आइए इसे एक उज्जवल और समृद्ध देश बनाए। जय हिंद।
Friends, let's rejoice in the beauty of our diversity. Next is a patriotic song presentation which brings together 3 languages: Hindi, Malayalam and Gujarati.
अब समय है उन नन्हे सितारों के जोश और जज्बे को सुनने का, जिनकी मासूमियत और उत्साह हमें हमेशा प्रेरित करता है। तो आइए प्राथमिक वर्ग की छात्रा अदिति अभी कक्षा 34 से एक अंग्रेजी भाषण सुनते हैं, जो अपने भावपूर्ण शब्दों से हमें गणतंत्र दिवस का महत्व बताएंगे। तो आइए तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं।
Good morning, one and all. Today we celebrate Republic Day, a day that holds great importance in our country's history. On January 26, 1950, India adopted its constitution, becoming a sovereign, democratic and republic nation. This day not only marks the birth of modern India, but also reflects the dreams and sacrifices of our freedom fighters who gave us this freedom. The Indian Constitution, written under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is the foundation of our democracy. It guarantees us fundamental rights such as equality, freedom, and justice. It also reminds us of our duties to the nation, like respecting the law, protecting the environment, and working for the welfare of society. Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm across the country. The Grand Parade in New Delhi showcased India's rich culture, diversity, and strength of our armed forces. Schools, colleges, and communities come together to honor this day with flag hosting, patriotic songs, and cultural programs. This day is not just about celebrating, it's about reflecting on how we can make our country better. As responsible citizens, let's commit to unity, honesty, and hard work to build a brighter future for India. Let us never forget the sacrifices made for this freedom and always work to uphold the values of our republic. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
छोटी सी उम्र लेकिन बड़े बड़े विचार, आपका यह प्रयास हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा है। धन्यवाद।
Now get ready to be mesmerized by the twinkling stars of our primary section. Through music, dance, and colorful performances, these tiny dots will take you on a journey across India. Let's watch the diversity, richness, and vibrancy of our incredible India.
स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास।
Hello, Mr. Benjamin and Mrs. Kelsey. Welcome to India.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Netwar.
We are honored to have you here today, sir.
Wow, what a vibrant atmosphere. We are so happy that we have arrived in India on such a special day, January 26th. Could you please throw some light about this special day?
Sir, January 26th is our Republic Day, a momentous occasion where we celebrate the adoption of Indian Constitution in 1950. This day marks the establishment of India as a sovereign democratic republic. Certainly, I would be delighted to tell you about India's rich cultural heritage and its administrative progress. Let's take a journey down memory lane and then explore how our nation evolved.
आइए देखते हैं खुशहाल भारत की एक झलक।
देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। यहाँ चौड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ भोली शक्लें हीरों की। यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे मस्ती में, मस्ती है झूमे मस्ती में।
लेकिन एक समय ऐसा भी था जब कई कुप्रथाएं हमारे देश में चलती थी। सती प्रथा का चलन जोरों पर था। बाल विवाह के खिलाफ कोई न था। पुनर्विवाह का घोर विरोध, लिंग भेद का बोलबाला था।
तभी इस दौर में कुछ महान समाज सुधारक उभरे जिन्होंने आधुनिक भारत के निर्माण में अहम भूमिका निभाई।
Raja Ram Mohan Rai, known as the father of the Indian Renaissance, he fiercely fought against the sati system and other social evils. Dayanand Saraswati, he is called maker of modern India and was the first to call for Swaraj. He is regarded as a strong opponent of child marriage. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, a champion for women's rights, he fought against oppressive customs for widows. Jyoti Rao Phule, an advocate for the education of the lower caste. He opposed the unjust caste system and worked for equality. He was a pioneer in promoting women's education in India.
और समृद्ध प्राकृतिक संसाधन से मोहित होकर विदेशी आक्रमणकारी प्रेरित हुए। ये विदेशी भारत की संपत्तियों से ललायत होकर हमारे देश का शोषण करने आए। उन्होंने उस समय देश में फैले सामाजिक संकट का लाभ उठाया।
Over time, Indians were oppressed by foreign invaders who looted our wealth, imposed harsh laws, and inflicted countless atrocities, ultimately enslaving the nation. Brave leaders like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others rose to fight these injustices and drove the invaders out of the country. Indian freedom struggle is incomplete without acknowledging Mahatma Gandhi's pivotal role in leading the non-cooperation movement. Though initially non-aggressive, it eventually united the entire nation to fight for India's independence.
Ta
जब जब मुझे पे उठा सवार, आई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल, आई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए।
मेरे प्यारे भारतवासियों, आज हम सब आजाद हिंद के आजाद नागरिक हैं, लेकिन हमारी यह आजादी केवल एक शुरुआत है। हमें इसे बनाए रखना है और अपने देश को उन्नति के मार्ग पर ले जाना है। इसके लिए कठिन परिश्रम करना होगा। हमें एक ऐसा संविधान बनाना है जो हर नागरिक के अधिकारों की रक्षा करे और देश को एकता में बांधे रखे।
आइए देखें आधुनिक स्वर्णिम भारत की झलकियां।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, I love my India।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India।
अतुल्य भारत का एक और गहना, विविधता में एकता।
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi, I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattual, I'm from Srinagar, I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shukrata, I'm from Kolkata, I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara, I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati, I'm from Guwahati, I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjab, I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai, I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
आज का भारत एक नए युग की ओर बढ़ रहा है। एक ऐसा युग जहां आत्मनिर्भरता केवल एक विचार नहीं बल्कि हर भारतीय का संकल्प है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत का सपना है ऐसा भारत जो अपनी कृषि में सक्षम हो, अपने स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र में सशक्त हो, अपनी ऊर्जा से पर्यावरण को बचाए और अपनी शिक्षा से हर युवा को सक्षम बनाए। यह वही भारत है जिसने डिजिटल क्रांति की शुरुआत की, जिसने अंतरिक्ष में नई ऊंचाइयां छुई, जिसने अपनी रक्षा प्रणाली को मजबूत बनाया, जिसने अपनी अपनी कला और संस्कृति को दुनिया के मंच पर गर्व से प्रस्तुत किया। इस 26 जनवरी के अवसर पर मैं शान से कह सकता हूँ कि मैं आत्मनिर्भर भारत का एक जिम्मेदार भारतीय नागरिक हूँ। और मुझे अपने भारतीय होने पर गर्व है।
Oh, it is truly no other country with such incredible diversity and unity. We are overwhelmed to witness the rich cultural heritage and the warmth and goodwill of your people. Incredible India, indeed.
Now, let's celebrate the glory of our country with a vibrant performance.
जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे तू सूरज हम तेरे जाए तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर दिखाएंगे जय हिंद जो नस नस में है हर बाजी फिर बस में है इंसान के हिंदुस्तान बोले सलाम सुफला
What a fantastic display of talent and patriotism. The future of our nation is bright. Kudos to our little.
मैं हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमती मीरा महोदया जो हमारे ही विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ पीजीटी केमिस्ट्री अध्यापिका है, मैं उनसे विनम्र अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे मंच पर आकर अपने प्रेरणादायक विचारों से हमें संबोधित करें। मैम प्लीज।
A very good morning to one and all. Happy Republic Day. Respected Principal Sir, Sini Madam, learned colleagues, dear parents and my dear children. My heart is overwhelmed. My words are moving back. Now when I stand on this platform, after completing almost 32 years of my service in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan, I feel I'm really gifted. I'm a gifted Indian. I'm a gifted teacher. And I'm a gifted KVN. Now we always talk about IITs, AIIMS, NITs and all in this country. But my dear children and dear parents, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan also has such a high brand value. I go back to my school days when I was a student. Independence Day and Republic Days were holidays for me. But when I entered a Kendriya Vidyalaya as a teacher on February 10th, 1994 and August 15th, 1994 was not a holiday for me. For the first time in my life, I understood what real patriotism is. My dear children, you all are really gifted. On these Independence Days and Republic Days, you understand how an Indian should be. You learn how an Indian should be. This is not a day to just sit at home and look at the TV and see the parade that's going on in India. Today is a day when we should realize the true spirit of an Indian, the strength of an Indian, which the whole world is aware of. All developed countries in this world are developing with Indians. So, it should be our prime responsibility to bring our country to the foremost of the world. That is, should be our pledge today on this Republic Day. It's also our duty to preserve our Republic so that when we celebrate today the 76th Republic Day, it is our ardent duty to build up a generation to celebrate the 152nd Republic Day. That is the pledge that we are going to give our nation today. And as a teacher, it's my duty to see that all the budding citizens of India who are in front of me are molded to have the strength and courage that our leaders had to lead our country to a developed nation. Hoping that every KVN will grow up to build a developed India, I conclude. Jai Hind!
आपके अनुभवों और विचारों ने इस कार्यक्रम की गरिमा को और भी बढ़ा दिया। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Now it's time to move. Our secondary dance team is ready to dazzle you with their energetic performance. India's journey to become a republic.
यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है। तो आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति की कुछ झलकें।
Here comes the most famous classical forms of Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh and Mohiniyattam from Kerala. Here comes an energetic dance form from the states of Gujarat, गरबा.
અને ઉતરવું પડે કારણ કે કિનારે તો ખાલી પડે નાની નાની પગલીને નાના એવા સપનાની રેત વાળી ડગલીને તોફાનો તરાપ મારે હાલે સાવ આપી જાય તોય તેની હિંમત અને આમ નહીં આપે એવો કારો તો ખલાસી એવો આગળનો પ્રવાસી એવો કારો તો ખલાસી એવો આગળનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો 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 ગોતીલો
પોતાના જ દરિયામાં પોતાની જે ડૂબકીથી જાતનું અમૂલ મોતી લો.
મજામાં ખાલી વાવતા બજામાં એવો આગળનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો.
Next, Kathak, which is a dance of storytellers, which have been originated from the states of Uttar Pradesh. Here comes the vibrant performance which have been originated from the states of Punjab, Bhangra.
but the efforts, sacrifices, and dreams of remarkable individuals who fought and gave the nation the India which we cherish today. So here today we have these legends and we have these legends all together on our stage. At first, Ammu Swaminathan. She stood firm in the Constituent Assembly to ensure women's voices were heard.
I believe in equality, but not as a right, but as a foundation to our republic. Let us ensure that every woman in this nation walk with dignity and pride.
Rajkumari Amritkar championed the fundamental rights and advocated for the Uniform Civil Code and also fought for the inclusion of the social reforms. The health of the nation is not just a call, it is a necessity. Let us try to ensure that every Indian has access to education, nutrition and healthcare. Moving on to the architect of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Our constitution is a contract of trust, a trust between the government and the people. Let us honor it by ensuring liberty, equality and fraternity for all.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who united over 500 princely states into a single nation.
When we are united, there is nothing that we cannot accomplish. Let us always remember, unity is the key to India's greatness.
The first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Freedom comes with a great responsibility. So let us use this freedom wisely and work together to build a nation of progress and peace.
The first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Our republic is built in the value of justice and equality. Let us dedicate ourselves to uphold these ideals every day.
He stand our heroes, our inspiration, who lay the foundation of our republic. So today, the torch is in our hands and let us carry it with pride, courage and responsibility. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
हो सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो चिंगारी मुझसे जुनून तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी मुझसे जुनून तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
What a powerful reminder of thought and dedication that went into crafting our Constitution.
गणतंत्र दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं हमारे विद्यालय के मार्गदर्शक हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य श्री जोस मैथ्यू महोदय से विनम्र अनुरोध करता हूँ कि वह मंच पर आए और अपने प्रेरणादायक संदेश से हम सभी को लाभान्वित करें। सर प्लीज।
Most respected guest of the day, my beloved colleague, Madam Meera, Headmistress, Madam Sini, my beloved teachers, most respected parents, dear children. First of all, let me wish all of you the great charm of the day. Happy Republic Day for all of you. I love my India. Why we are loving our India? I am proud to be an Indian. Why I am proud to be an Indian? Our children, in a very short span of 50 minutes, they explained both these questions. I love my India, why? I am proud of my India, why? This Vidyalaya started in 2006. The infant stage, the childhood, the teenage. Now it is in its youth, or I am enjoying the boiling effect of the youthfulness in this Vidyalaya. The same way, our India started after independence in 1947, the infant stage. How it is possible? They never will unite. They will be scattered. They will spoil by themselves. This was the feeling of the people, those who went out on that day, or those who were forced to move out, quit India. But now, they all, those who are having the feeling, those who are having the doubt, where they will be shattered, they will be spoiled by themselves. They tried all their level best, but they could not win. All these forces, they tried their level best, but they could not win. That is what India is. That is why we are proud. That is why we are celebrating this day. As Dr. Ambedkar said, it's not a book. It's a feeling for the Indians. Our constitution is not a book, but it is our way of life. It's the freedom. It's the sympathy. It's the solidarity. It is the togetherness. That is what our constitution is. We selected each and every word inside our constitution after thorough deliberations, after thorough discussions. Many people contributed. All the contributors, they were having dream. The dream was nothing. That dream, it was I love India. I am proud of it. When we are celebrating the 76th day of our republic, the people, those who celebrated 25th day, the people, those who celebrated 50th day, the people, those who celebrated the first day, we cannot forget all these people. Those who contributed for this great nation. My dear children, today some of our friends, they were also having a doubt what it will be a normal day, how we will spoil our Sunday. They all are sitting in home doing some or the other thing. We have got 1610 children in our roll. 280 are there in different participations. You can count the number of children, those who are here to enjoy the 280. These 1329 children, out of them only 60 or 65 children to come and appreciate others. I am very much disappointed on that, because we simply feel it's a normal day, a flag hosting will be there, and some people will be, they may be singing a patriotic sing, on one or the other children they may be giving, or what we can say, a speech in English, a speech in Hindi, just narrating the story of Indianism or patriotism, everything. In that feeling, they simply are sleeping. My dear children, those who are in uniform, only to enjoy the presentations here, they are really today's heroes. The children, those who are in different costumes, they came here because of they want to present. The parents, those who are here, they came here, majority of them, to accommodate so that these children they reach in time. But the children, those who are in uniform, salute to my dear children, because you are the real lovers of this India. In coming days, we want to see that our auditorium, our morning assembly area is filled with you type children. It will happen. Because now we were having a doubt. Now we are not that confident this will happen in our Vidyalaya. This number of children, this number of teachers will be contributing for presenting a nice Republic Day celebration. I am not commenting all the programs. You parents, you please evaluate whether our children, they performed well. If you feel it was a splendid, a very nice performance, I need a very big applause from my parents alone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. We will try our level best to perform better and better. We will try our level best to become the best school in Trivandrum. Thank you very much. Happy Republic Day once again to all of you. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
आपके संदेश ने हमें कुछ नया सोचने के लिए प्रेरित किया। धन्यवाद महोदय।
Meena ma'am for announcing the results of caption writing competition conducted for parents.
Good morning to all. It's my proud privilege to announce the results of caption writing competition conducted for parents in connection with Reading Promotion Week in the Vidyalaya. So I request Meera Madam to give away the prizes. The winners are Parvati, Mrs. Parvati, parent of Ahana Vijaykumar of class 6B. The parent is requested to come with the child to receive the prize. Next winner is Mr. Anand R.S., parent of Srihari Anand of class 2nd B. Thank you, madam, and congratulations to the winners. In future also, my humble request is to parents is to participate in all the activities which we are conducting in the Vidyalaya. Thank you.
May I now invite our beloved HM, Srimati Sini ma'am, to propose the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
A warm good morning to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the